If you enjoy the rich, smoky flavor that a charcoal grill delivers without all the prep, cleanup, and careful monitoring, then an electric smoker may be the perfect solution. As opposed to gas and charcoal smokers, the best electric smokers are easier to use and control, and they are extremely reliable. To help you find the right model for your home and consider some of the most important factors for your cooking needs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 electric smokers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart CAS 330 Vertical Electric Smoker. With its durable frame and an external thermometer display to easily monitor your food, the Cuisinart Vertical Electric Smoker is ideal for beginners. It has side handles for portability, 3 removable non-rusting chrome racks, and a wide temperature range for more cooking versatility, so you can use it to roast or smoke foods. 4 legs keep the smoker elevated off the ground so you don't need to bend all the way down to insert or remove food, and the racks can be placed in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. The sturdy door seals tightly shut to keep all the smoke in. However, there's no window on it, so you'll have to actually open the door to check on your food. This lets out all the smoke that adds flavor, so we recommend limiting the number of times you open the door while cooking. Fuel type, electric, wood pellet, capacity, 548 square inches, temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Charbroil 17,202,004 Digital Electric Smoker. The appeal of electric smokers is that they typically need very little monitoring and setup before and during use. The same is true of this Charbroil digital electric smoker. It only requires the user to set a target meat temperature or a specific time duration before the machine does all the work. We are impressed with the high quality and durable construction of this machine that is sturdy with a functional yet attractive design that kind of looks like a mini bar fridge. This smoker comes with its own inbuilt meat probe, and it has a wood chip box that can hold up to 7 hours worth of pellets or chips before needing to be topped up. Its double wall insulated construction and stainless steel locking latch keeps the smoke right where it should be. The glass door, which is smoke tight, provides a great view of everything you're smoking inside without having to open it. Number 3. Masterbuilt MB 20,070,421 Digital Electric Smoker. Our top pick for the best electric smoker is the extremely user-friendly and effective Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. It has a large cooking space capacity spread out over 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, providing enough space to cook 6 whole chickens. Whether you're cooking a large bird or smoking vegetables, there's plenty of room inside for all your favorite recipes. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker sports an intuitive digital panel so you can operate the controls, temperature, and timer, and it's conveniently located at the top of the unit so you won't need to bend down to use it. This unit heats up extremely quickly. All you have to do is plug it in, turn it on, and set the temperature via the thermostat control. A clever patented wood chip insert at the side of the unit allows you to load in your wood chips without opening the door. Number 4. Traeger Grill and Smoker. This top-loading electric smoker allows you to add food to your machine without bending over constantly. The Traeger Grill's Pro Series 34 electric wood pellet grill and smoker is designed to be easy to use while looking sleek. Eliminating the need for multiple outdoor cooking appliances, this all-in-one machine can smoke, grill, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue almost anything your heart desires. This hefty and durable machine features precision temperature control and an ultra-large cooking capacity that, according to the brand, is big enough for up to 8 whole chickens at once. 4 all-terrain wheels at the base make it effortless to transport when you need to move it around on grass, concrete, stone pavers, and more. It also has dual meat probes that you can monitor via the outside display without needing to open the lid. This smoker does everything for you automatically without you having to constantly monitor it. Number 5. Original Bradley Smoker. The Bradley Smoker 4-rack outdoor electric smoker allows you to try your favorite smoked recipes using briquettes instead of wood logs. There are 4 included racks that provide up to 572 square inches worth of space, and the racks remain sturdy even when pulled halfway out to check on your food. The precise temperature gauge and user-friendly digital screen make it easy to operate, whether you're a beginner or an expert at smoking food. The automatic wood feeding system allows you to keep your smoker running without having to feed new briquettes into the device every few minutes. This sturdy smoker is made from rust-proof stainless steel that is easy to clean, allowing you to enjoy your appliance for many years to come. It has insulated carbon double walls, And there's a smoke diffuser system that keeps the smoke circulating. Temperature probe included, yes, built in. Temperature range, up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.